The call for proposals for EuroPython 2025 is now open, and we can't wait to get all of your great ideas for talks, tutorials, and posters. Let's have a look at how you can write a proposal that will stand out to not only the selection committee, but also your future session attendees. Firstly, hook your audience by telling them the problem you're going to be solving. People love mystery books for a reason, and that's because they build up a bit of suspense before they jump into the solution. A great proposal will do the same thing. Next, your job is to convince your audience that they should care about this particular problem. Maybe it's obvious, maybe it's a problem that affects most of the Python community, or maybe it's an obscure but incredibly fascinating issue that you've faced. Either way, your job is to grab the interest of the audience and make them understand why this problem is relevant for them. So now it's time to share what your perspective is going to be on this issue. Are you offering a creative solution to a problem? Or are you perhaps highlighting some important issue that needs more attention by the Python community? And then wrap it all up by clearly outlining what the main takeaways from your session are going to be. This is your chance to leave a lasting impression and make it clear why your session is going to be a must attend. We prioritize sessions that focus on open source Python projects rather than paid solutions. If your company is interested in showcasing your paid product in a session, we offer a number of sponsored talks, and we'd love to speak to you about sponsorship options. And if you're planning on submitting a tutorial, we're looking for those to have a substantial hands-on coding component. So please don't forget to explain in your proposal how you're going to incorporate this. Good luck with your proposals, and we cannot wait to see what you submit this year.